This is the Challenge Cordless Grass Trimmer from ARGOS, and I've already used it, so I wanted to show you how you should put it together if you first buy one of these. Yeah, I've already used it and it's been effective, so I just thought I'd show you how to put it together in case you're struggling and you've just bought yours for the first time. So let's go. Obviously mine will be a bit dirty because I've already used it. Okay, so obviously I've already used mine, so you won't see the outer packaging, but basically these will be packed in boxes, each individually wrapped. So you'll get a charging cable, you will get the connector to the battery pack, and this itself is the battery pack. So what you would need to do is turn it around and put this part on just by sliding it down into place. That connects it to the battery pack, and then you'll be able to charge it. And basically all you'd need to do is plug this part into here, and then you would just plug that into your mains to charge it. That's that part, quick and simple. What I really liked about this tool is it comes ready to go basically. So this long strip you see here, it comes like this, and the only thing you need to do is to attach this part. So you can see mine's already attached. I wanted to use it to make sure it was effective before I showed you. So I'm going to show you what it really comes like when you first buy it. This won't be attached, but I'm going to show you how to attach this part. Okay, so let's go. As I explained to you already before, mine is dirty because I've already used it. But when you open your box, yours will be nice, sparkling and spanking clean. So what you'll see, this is the bottom end of the tool, and you will see a screw on either side. Yeah, you'll need a screwdriver, by the way. Yeah. So you'll see a screw on either side. So basically all you need to do is unscrew them. Yeah, forgive the dirt and the mess. So this is what you do. You just need to unscrew it and unscrew the second one. I actually filmed this fresh when I first bought it now. So I had the idea after I'd already used it, but let's continue. Yeah, so this is the other side of the head. So all you need to do, turn that upside down, place it on top, and then all you need to do is put your screws in and screw it, and that's it. That's how you will be able to use it for the first time. So I've got my screw here, just need to put that down. Screw it into place. Make sure it's very tight and secure when you're screwing it in. Yep, that's one, and I'll just do the other side. That's all you need to do, is just put the two screws in, make sure they're secure. You don't need to tamper with this, just leave this part as it is. You don't need to mess with that. Yeah, just make sure your two screws are in, tight and secure, and that's it. You'll be able to use it. So that's what it looks like when you have put it together. Mine's a bit dirty, mind a mess, as I'll keep repeating myself. Okay, so that's for that part. And then once your battery is charged, you'll be able to connect the battery pack to the top of it before you use it. Let me see if I can show you that too. So for you to be able to slide the battery on, you would need to disconnect it from the charging part of it. So you basically need to slide this up and off. So that's the mains detached, and then you would use the battery pack and insert it into here. Basically you slide it down on the top and then it should click into place. You heard that click and it's ready to go. Hope this video has been very helpful to you, and if it is, please subscribe to